ready to go to Lucca?
I am. I'm excited.
These bags are only 12 kgs each, but they're just massive.
Yeah, bodies in here.
And our bus arrives in 4 minutes.
But 2.5 hours of traveling now to get to Lucca. So we arrived in Lucca, really delayed train. It was supposed to take us, what, I think about 2 hours, and it took us 3.5, 4 hours. There was some issue on the tracks. Lucca is very much as Manny was just explaining, old town in the center, surrounded by a wall, so hopefully we'll get to see a lot of the old town. The place that we're staying with has free bike rides, so I'm pretty excited to just roam the city on a bike. And apparently there are really a few tourists in here. There's not that many tourists, which is pretty boss, so you get to see a real true Italian city, a real true Italian town, which is rare, because everywhere we've been, it's been a lot of tourists. We're pretty much in the center of the little town, inside the city walls, and like it's quiet, in a good quiet, it's a really good way. It's very Italian. English is very bad, but that's cool in a way. It's really cool. So now we're just gonna have a late lunch, early dinner, and a bottle of wine.
Oh no, shit! It's the official Penne al Arrabbiate.
So these walls help keep the old town what it is today, and general expansion of the cities happens outside the walls that way, which is quite cool. So it keeps the inside of the town itself. That is 230 steps to get to the top. There's actually a natural tree, that's a natural tree growing up there. The tower was built in the 14th century, so you also get a really cool view, so let's go check out the view.